looking for a fun and creative way to get into holiday spirit and keep the kids entertained? Today we will show you how to make homemade dough using just 3 simple ingredients from your kitchen. It's perfect for crafting adorable Christmas decorations and spending quality family time.
So we need 1 cup of baking soda.
So one of these?
2 of those, that's half a cup. So we're going to put 1. Doesn't matter about lumps because they'll all mix out. So it's in a jar. There we go, put that in. Then we need half a cup of cornstarch or corn flour. Okay, so put that in there. Okay, pour that in.
Water.
And then we need about half a cup of water. Okay.
Can I mix?
Then very carefully, Emily, you mix it.
Don't say it's gonna explode in my face.
Yeah, gently, gently. Well done. And then we need to transfer it onto the stove.
Wow.
This is oobleck at the moment, which is where you've got cornstarch, which is a non-Newtonian fluid.
Oobleck.
Oobleck is where you mix cornstarch and water. And it's a non-Newtonian fluid, because it looks liquid, right? Doesn't it look liquid? Yeah. But then when you try and move it, I mean, this is not pure, it looks almost like a solid, doesn't it?
Oh
like,
yeah, remember when we did the corn flour in the water?
Yeah.
And then we waited and then we banged it with a hammer?
Yeah.
It couldn't.
Exactly. But now we're going to warm it up, okay? We have to transfer it to the stove. Turn it on. It's still very liquid right now. I'll put it on high, but I'm going to turn it down as soon as it starts to warm. If we actually want it on low, I'm just trying to make it a bit quicker. I'm going to turn it right down now. It's already starting to warm up. Put it on medium heat, medium-low heat. See how it's starting to bubble? You don't want it to bubble too much, but it's getting thicker and thicker. Can you see?
More?
Thicker and thicker. Don't want it bubbling so much. So if it's bubbling like this, you need to turn it down. Keep stirring it constantly. Be careful because it's warm now.
You're like the expert cooker, Mommy.
Okay, can you
turn it down?
Stir it for me. I'm going to add in the essential oil now. Okay, let me carry on.
Oh, it sure does. It smells of cinnamon. I love
it. It's really starting to come together now. Okay, keep it on the heat.
Like this?
Yep, perfect. Really coming together as a dough. You just really want to do it. Keep going until it's not too wet. Yeah, it'll smell now because the essential oil will be strong, but it will cool down. You want to dry it out, otherwise it will take too long to too sticky. Exactly. So you really want to keep going at this stage to dry it out, and then it comes into a dough. Okay, probably enough. Turn off the heat. Then you want to get a bowl and transfer it into a bowl. Can you get me that big plastic bowl?
A plastic bowl?
Pour it into a bowl. So you can scrape it all out. It'll have a little bit stuck to the bottom, but that's totally okay. The pan will clean very easily.
Ouch.
Okay. So then we have to put it into the pan to cool down. It's very hot right now, so we can't handle it.
Oh.
So we'll leave it in there for just about 10 or 20 minutes should be fine. Maybe a bit longer if you want kids to handle it. Recommend as well to put a tea towel over the top right now, just to stop it drying out too much. But I'll leave it just to pat it down to help it cool. Okay, so our dough's been cooling for a few minutes. We didn't leave it so long, but you can leave it longer if you want. So you want to sprinkle some corn flour to use, a bit like when you're using cookies, you'd use flour to roll out, but we use more corn flour. Don't worry about using too much because it's quite a wet dough at this moment. You'll need to put in more. So then we get our dough and we put it out onto the board. Now you might wonder why I've got these magnet tiles on the edge. I'm just using them to try and be able to roll it out thickly. It's a bit pliable at the moment, it's still a bit warm, so I'm just going to knead it a little bit into some corn flour to help it dry out. So you really want to knead in some corn flour because it helps it dry out, but you want to try and not work it too much. So we use our rolling pin, and the magnet tiles are there to keep it the same thickness. Okay, so we roll it out this way, put some corn flour on the top and on your rolling pin. Perfect. Okay, just roll it out that way. Yeah, so we'll roll it out a bit this way. That's probably about right. We don't want them too thin, do we?
It's actually not that bad.
Yeah. So we need our tray. Can we get our tray out the oven that we had before?
Can I get it?
Yeah, please.
They have 2 different edges. The sharp edge and the not really sharp edge. You want to go on the sharp edge so that it's better. And press in.
Just leave it there. Do another one.
Can I do? Okay, that's right. Push in. Can I do the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Can we do stars?
Yeah.
Let's do a lot. What is the second biggest? This one. Okay. Press in.
Okay, that's good.
Feel sad. Oh wait,
What we're gonna do is we just need to take all the spare dough.
So that we can make more dough to make it. Gotcha.
We gently just peel it back. Helps it to dry. We've made it quite quickly. You can leave your dough to dry a bit longer, and it'll be easier to.
You got me flour. What is the most famous snowman of Santa Claus?
The most famous reindeer is Rudolph.
Yeah, Rudolph. What's the song?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Okay, then put it on the tray, ready to dry. You put it flat on the tray, don't put it too close to the edge. But if they go wrong, you can just re-roll them. The more we can do without re-rolling it, the better they'll be. This dough was a bit too wet, so yeah, put some more flour for me, please. Put a little bit on top for me, please. Roll it again.
Because we did it wrong last time.
Not wrong, but just we need to reuse it. Okay.
I think our Christmas tree is going to be full of these.
Right, let's do the snowman first, shall we?
Wait, just a second. But also, when you're doing the snowman, you have to don't forget the
hole. So yeah, put a hole in the top, and then it helps you later. You can put a string in.
to stick it onto the Christmas tree.
Hang them on the Christmas tree.
Whoop.
Turn the oven on for me, King. Or Emily, can you turn the oven on low?
Shall we put the light and the fan?
Yeah. Put it on the first one.
Where's the first?
You can dry them in air, or you can just put them on a very low heat in the oven. Just dry them a bit quickly, but just don't put it too hot, or it might crack.
It looks like a cookie.
Can you put all the holes in them and remember so we can do it properly?
Oh yeah. Yes. Okay. Bam 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 bam
Now it's dried out, it's a lot easier.
So I'm gonna make Rudolph. Mommy, look. I'm gonna make Rudolph. Rudolph and Santa.
Got some more round ones? They're quite nice, the round ones, aren't they?
Yeah. Could I make
You
another
can use the
ball?
last bit to decorate. Make whatever you
Now
want.
can I make whatever I want?
Yeah.
Oh, the ball can. Hey, I need.
And we're gonna put them in the oven.
Hey, I need some play.
Just on very low settings to dry them out, or you can air dry them.
After the dough has fully dried, you may allow the kids to color or decorate it however they like.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.